Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Mode Airdrop. I think Mode will be one of the most exciting airdrops for 2024. First two things that I would like to mention is that if you are living in any of these countries here in the list, you will not be eligible for the Mode Airdrop. You can just pause the video and you can read it yourself. I think it's not necessarily the bad thing, because if you are not living in any of these countries, you basically have a better chance of getting a bigger chunk of the airdrop. And the other thing, even if you live in these countries, you can use a VPN to go around it. The thing that I wanted to say is that this is not a free airdrop. If you are interested in free airdrops, I have a couple of very good instructions on my channel. You can check them, and I'm going to upload more during the next week. Here I will put a link to this one, so you just connect your wallet basically. When you connect your wallet, here you can see your points, and then when you scroll down a little bit, you can see, for example, their dApps or apps. They have actually quite a few apps already running on their mainnet, but I'm gonna tell you which ones are the most important one. Here you can see that you will earn twice as much point as normal time. Okay, before we talk about the step 2, you need to add ModeNetwork to your wallet. So just open your MetaMask, and here you see, you just open this one, this drop down, and add network, and it will take you to this kind of page. You press add manually, and here you need to put some information. So here they are. I will put the link to this page also in the description, so you just copy and paste them, and you will press save, and it will be added to your MetaMask. So here the step 2 will be pressing bridge. So this is the main bridge for Mode, so I recommend you to use it at least once. So here you can see that it's between Ethereum and Mode, so you just add some or bridge some Ethereum to your Mode mainnet. So it's pretty simple. First of all, it asks me to switch the network. You will put the amount that you want to send. I don't have that much Ethereum here anymore, and you basically press bridge mode, and it will bridge the Ethereum to your main wallet after pressing confirm. They have like Kim Exchange is their main basically swap app. I have put the link in the description for you. What I want you to do is to swap some ETH to USDT, because we are going to need this. So let's, for example, say that we add 0.01 ETH to USDT. So you can see, like you saw that on Ethereum, gas fees were super expensive one. On Mode, you can see that it's pretty cheap, actually, it's only 50 cents. So here you can also change it for a little bit cheaper. I don't know how much cheaper it would be. It's 37 cents. So maybe we can try that one. Confirm. So as you can see, now it has been done. What I want you to do here, instead of pressing done, just go here, view on Explorer, and you scroll down a little bit. So you can see that USDT. So if you press it, then here actually there is a contract with it, and here you can see the MetaMask. If you press MetaMask, it will add the token automatically to your MetaMask. So now that you have added the token to your wallet, now here you can press done, and here it says earn on the top. Open that, and it says pools. Just click that one. And here you can see that there are verified pools and unverified pools. I don't really recommend to use any unverified, so the verified ones. And you can see the APRs. You can decide where you want to put your money, and the highest ones are for ETH USDC and ETH USDT. So at the moment we have some USDT in our wallet. So let's go with that one. and here it says create a position. So create a position and add liquidity. So here it's important that you put the same amount of both. So basically, let's say that we have something like $10 and we want to, or USDT, and we want to add it to the pool as liquidity. So we have to put same amount of ETH. Actually, automatically will be calculated. So just press approve. I recommend you to, for this spending cap, put exactly the same amount that you have here. So it's good. We continue with 10. Next. And so you can see gas fees again is like 20 cents. So if you go here, probably it will be a little bit cheaper. So you can see that these layer 2s are super cheap compared to Ethereum mainnet. And it's approved. So first you have to approve your USDT, and then you will confirm it. Confirm the adding to pool actually. So here again, this is a little bit more expensive, of course. So let's confirm it. So it's 2 steps. One is approving your USDT and then confirming the adding to liquidity. So same here as swapping. You can see now your position. So instead of pressing done right away, just first press your position. And so you can see that now we have added ETH and USDT into these pools. Step 5 is going to borrow and supply to Ionic. So I will put the link to description. Here you can basically supply USDC, USDT, wrapped BTC or wrapped ETH. So let's supply more USDT. Let's say I want to supply 5 more. Supply. So this is also 2-step verification basically. The first one is approving and the second one is supply. So we put here the same amount that I want to use, 5. So it's going to approve it. We can go with a little bit cheaper one. So this is second step. Now you have to confirm it. It's a little bit more expensive. So now you can see here that it has been approved and it has been confirmed. So you can press continue here. As you can see, I had 22 USDT before and now I have 27 because I supplied 5 more. And here you can see on the top there is points. So if you go to the points based on what you are doing on only on this Ionic app, you will get some points. So through these points, probably you are gonna get some sort of airdrop later only for this Ionic app. Step 6 is to basically take a domain name. So let's type my channel name, so you can see that this is available. So now here you can see that it's like gonna cost like $5. So I really recommend to do it because otherwise you are missing out on some probably important transaction on their mainnet. So it went through. You can see now that I own basically this cryptodropzone.mode. Okay, the last step for this video is going to be kind of a pro tip because most probably more than 95% of wallets will not do this. I will put the link to description to this page, and you can see that here we are on Explore. Then you connect your wallet here. Then here it says token. So what we are going to do that we are adding we are deploying a smart contract on ModeNetwork. So just press this one and you go here, you just press deploy now. You just give it a name. For example, let's say name of the channel again. So that's a mandatory, or you can put, for example, in simple also, like let's say CDZ. You don't need to touch anything else. This is basically your wallet address. And here you make sure that you are on the ModeNetwork. And that's it, basically. You press deploy now. So it's deploying the contract now, waiting for your wallet. It's gonna cost us about $2. This is also very important to do it because it will set your wallet apart from the others. It was deploying the contract and now it's adding it to dashboard basically. So you need to sign this. So the second step is basically free. You just pay some gas fees for the first one. Successfully deployed contract. So now we have deployed this contract crypto drop zone on ModeNetwork. So we went through all the necessary steps, but there are a few side tasks that I'm gonna make another update for ModeNetwork, so stay tuned. And if you really find this helpful, please consider subscribe and give the video a like. Thank you and see you again.